bago tayo. Angels. Ang Angels Pizza is bukas na. Look. Oh, bukas na. Okay, pasok. Thank you. Bukas na si Angels. Discounted na po yan. Okay. Like 1,100. Okay. ID is here.
Nadan yung card po nila, ma'am. Yung card natin, wala po siyang record.
Ayan o. Ah, that's the APC card. Angel's Pizza. What's the C? Card. Card lang pala yan. Kala ko may meaning pang iba. Sige ah. Welcome to Mozzarella. Tsaka dyan. Ba't ang dami nilang decorations lang? Ah. Yay! Okay.
Ganyan pala kumain ng ano? I-spread mo pala yan. Spread mo na lahat? Okay. Ayun o, hanggang dulo. Please, hanggang dulo please. Itong sa kabila. Okay.
Ah, 16 ounces. Cucumber what? Lemonade. Ah, cucumber lemonade.
Nung nakaraan, ikaw na lang ako.